Okay, so
It's actually hard.
like I said, we're gonna practice a little bit more on distributing because y'all sucked it up. Here we go. So, to distribute a polynomial, remember you're going to multiply the coefficients, add the exponent, and remember your variable stays the same. So before we move on to example 1, let's go back over the difference between distributing and combining.
Isn't distributing like multiple? One number to all the numbers and then combining is adding them together. Or no, not combining.
Yeah. Okay. Let's start with the combining part. When you combine, remember, they have to have the same variable to the same exponent. So you can only combine an x squared with an x squared or x cubed with an x cubed. You can't do x squared with x cubed because they don't have the same amount of x's, okay? But when you're combining means to add. So literally the only thing that you're adding, or in reality, the only thing that you're adding is your coefficients. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So when you combine, your exponent doesn't change, okay? But when you distribute means you're going to group and you're going to multiply your coefficients first. 2 times 3, 6. But then you also multiply your bases. So x squared times x squared. This is where you have to apply your exponent rules, and this is the product rule. And the product rule tells you that you add the exponent. So this becomes 6x to the 4th. So distributive means to what? Multiply. Combining means to add. 2 different rules. Look at the difference. When you combine, you don't change the exponent. But when you distribute, yes, you do change the exponent. And it's kind of hard to wrap your mind around going back and forth and stuff. Joanne, stop. Nobody outside. Okay. So the first 4 examples are examples that we did whenever we first learned how to distribute in the very beginning of the year, okay? You're distributing a number that's in front of the parentheses to each term on the inside of the parentheses. Okay, so we multiply 7 times negative 5 to give us negative 35, bring down the x. Okay, then we multiply 7 times negative 8, negative 56. Now, from there, you don't combine these two because one has an x, the other one doesn't. Got it? Okay. Number 2, you're distributing the negative 4. When you multiply negative 4 times x, you're actually multiplying negative 4 times 1. So negative 4 times 1 is? Bring down the x. Then negative 4 times 1 is? Negative 4. Once again, even though they both have 4s, you don't combine them. One has an x, the other one doesn't. Got it? Okay. Now, each one of these is going to be building. So yes, we have a lot of examples, but it takes a lot of examples to get the hang of it, and they get harder as we go. Okay. First, 9 times 7 is?
36R, 63R.
That dyslexia hit. So 63R. And then 9 times negative 2?
Negative 18R.
Negative 18, but the 2 also has an R. Can I combine these two? Yes, because they both have an R. When I combine, you only combine the coefficient, right? So 63 minus 18 gives us what?
45.
45R. Number 4. We're distributing the 3. 3 times 5 is?
15y squared.
15. Bring down the y squared. Next, 3 times negative 8.
Negative 24y.
Negative 24. Bring down the y. Okay. And then last, 3 times 4 is?
12.
Do 3 or 4, do either of these numbers have a y?
No.
So there should not be a y here. Because one of the mistakes that students were making were just putting random y's or random x's into the expression. You tell me why. All right, number 5. Look at the first 4 examples and now look at number 5. What's different?
The distributive number has an x.
Now the number that we're distributing has a variable. So you got to be double careful. First, whenever you're distributing, you want to first distribute or multiply the coefficients. What's 6 times 2? 12. Then you want to distribute or multiply the variables. X times x is?
X squared.
X squared. X times x, right? X to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1. What do you do with the exponents? Add them. So x times x is x squared. Oh, I'm choking on my spit.
It's your energy drink.
No, it's just, it's my protein shake. The most common variables that you're going to multiply in this semester, the whole semester, is x times x. So, say it with me. X times x is x squared. Ready? X times x is? Everybody say it. X times x?
X squared.
X times x?
X squared.
Kennedy, say it. X times x is?
X squared.
All right.
Hey, Juan, they say
Joanne, say it with me. X times x is?
X squared.
Was that a question or a statement?
Statement.
Thank you. You hush. So, the next one. 6 times 3 is?
18.
18. Bring down. The 6 does have an x, so bring down the x. Can I combine these? No. One has an x squared. The other one only has an x. So, these are not addable. Okay? Cannot add them. Here we go. 2x times negative 2x. 2 times negative 2 is?
negative 4.
X times x is?
X squared.
Boy, I know you did not just shout out 2. X squared. All right. 2 times negative 3?
Negative 6x.
Don't forget the 2 in the front has an x, so bring that down. Can I add these?
No.
Ready?
No.
All right. 5 times 2 is?
10.
G times G is?
G squared.
G to squared.
Joanne, what's G times G?
G squared.
Thank you. 5 times negative 4?
20g. Negative 20g.
Bring down the G.
You have to say that loud.
Okay. Number 8. Negative 5 times 15?
75.
X times x is? Okay. Negative 5 times 9 times negative 9?
Negative. Positive 45.
45. Bring down the x. All right. Oh my goodness, there's a backside. Miss, why do you do this to us? All right. Negative 8 times negative 3?
24k 12. Squared.
Boy, 24. K times k is?
Squared.
K times k?
Squared.
K squared.
Negative 8 times 2?
Negative 16.
Bring down the
K.
k. You smell orange.
Yeah, I smell oranges. It smells like oranges.
Oh. I was like, I don't smell it. Okay. Next. 4 times negative 6.
Negative 24x squared.
Bring down the x squared. Please stop saying the x until I ask about it. You would figure you'd catch on. All right. 4 times negative 4?
Negative
16.
Bring down the... Can you combine them?
No.
Okay.
That's a little tricky down here.
All right. Getting on to some that are a little bit more difficult. Ready? We can do this. First, multiply the coefficients. So 7 times 2 is 14. But when we multiply d times d squared, d has a power of 1. So d to the 1 times d2, what does that give you?
D2. Oh, wait. When you add it.
So what do you get?
3.
D cubed.
Obviously.
D cubed. Yeah.
Miss, why is
Because
two?
it has a special name, and the name is cubed.
Miss, why is two squared and cubed 3?
2D, 3D. He didn't think I had a response for that. All right, 7 times 6 is
42
42. D times D,
squared.
D squared. Next, 7 times negative 9.
Negative 60 for 3.
Bring down the
D.
D. Questions? Are we getting a little bit more comfortable with these?
Nerd.
Yeah, like it.
You say it's light work, but you and Jesus missed 2 of them.
Only 2.
Hey, I only missed 2.
All right.
Only 2.
Ooh.
Hey, that's good.
You shouldn't have missed any. 6 times 5 is
30
x times x squared,
x cubed.
x cubed. 6 times negative 7,
Negative 42.
x times x.
X squared.
Yes, Joanna says x, 6 times 7. We can get over it. 6 times negative 4.
Negative 24.
Bring down the...
X.
Man, I'm already not looking forward to 7th period because of that 6 times 7. And that's why only 6 or 7 passed the quiz.
Oh, roast.
All right, that's what I'm going to tell them. 8 times 4,
32.
32.
g times g squared.
G cubed.
Okay. 8 times negative 5,
Negative 40 G squared.
Now
g times g,
Squared.
g squared. 8 times 7,
56.
bring down the g. All right. Ready? 14.
6.
2 times 3,
6.
x times x squared,
X cubed.
cubed, thank you. 2 times 8,
16.
x times x.
Squared.
2 times negative 5,
Negative 10.
bring down the...
X.
Oh, let's go.
All right.
Can we do the last?
No, well, the last 2 are the hardest.
The last two make sense.
Do the same thing.
9 times 1,
9
x times x cubed.
of
X
to the power 4.
to the power of 4.
There you go. 9 times 3,
27.
27.
x times x squared.
X
X
cubed.
cubed.
Good. 9 times negative 5,
Negative 45.
Negative 45.
x times x,
Squared.
x squared.
No reaction.
There was a lot of reactions yesterday, though. So,
Yeah, you're right.
last one. Ready? Think you can handle it?
Sure.
All right. 7 times 6,
56.
42.
7 times 6,
Oh, 42. My bad.
k squared times k cubed,
K to the power of 5.
k to the power of 5. 7 times 9,
63.
k squared times k.
K cubed.
John, what's k squared times k? Thank you. 7 times negative 10,
Negative 70.
bring down the...
K cubed.
Bring down the what?
K cubed.
Bring
K
down the
squared.
what? Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Because you're not repeating, you're not participating.